Ladies and gentlemen, the word stress has become an inevitable part of our lives. The more we try to get rid of it, the more it pounds over us. So, let me share 3 to 4 tips and techniques with you so that we can be able to handle the stress in this situation as well as apply it for any other situation in our life. First of all, when stress arrives, ask it to be handled with grace. Yes, my dear friends, when we do not resist the stress and ask it to apply in our lives, ask it to come in our lives with grace and ease, half of our stress automatically goes. Just try it and see. Second tip is breath work. In any uh, in anything, if we apply our breath work or if we apply a breathing technique, the results are amazing. So let me explain you one breath work. It is called 5 times 4. Now what is 5 times 4? We will breathe in till 5, the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then hold it with the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale with the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 4. So we will do this 4 times a day, and we will see our stress, the nerve cells in our brain will get automatically relaxed. Now, one thing that we are stressed for, like we have to do so much and we do not find the time, or there is a lot of confusion in our brains. So, the third technique that I'm going to share is like make a to do list. Differentiate between urgent and important. My dear friends, urgent and important both are very different. Urgent means you have to do it today and you have to complete it in a, there is an urgency in it for you to complete, while as important can be done after the completion of our urgent tasks. So when you segregate into urgent and important, your brain will get a signal, yes, this is the way I have to take this task first and I have to complete it. This task maybe tomorrow, or maybe it's an important task but I have to complete it, so I will complete it maybe tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow. Then the fourth technique is like whenever you are in a stressful situation, I want you to go back into the past and remind of yourself of wonderful actions that you may have taken in your lifetime. Ladies and gentlemen, there are many situations in our life that we have gone through that have made us feel like a winner. And I want to reflect on those memories where some situations have arrived and how beautifully you have handled those situations. Once you go back and reflect back into the past and you see how beautifully you have done, you get an affirmation in the moment that yes, I have done this before and I'm ready to do this now also. Try it, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm sure you will see the results. This is Pooja Judhani signing off. Until we meet next time, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.